Good morning students. We will do the example 1. Solve the following linear equation problem graphically. Maximize the z equal to 4x plus y. Subject to constants x plus y less than equal to 50, 3x plus y less than equal to 90 and x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. Look here, this is a linear programming problems and we have to solve graphically, means we have to draw the graph, and this here this part will be only in your course, other part is deleted. So mathematical formulations of LPP problem and unbounded problem that are cancelled. Here first constant is x plus y less than equal to 50. Here you will put the value of x and y and you will get the value of points you will get here. So first of all, place of x you put 0, so you will get y equal to 50. Now x equal to 50 you put, y equal to 0, then x equal to 25, then y equal to 25, x equal to 30, then y equal to 20. So these points you get. Now for these you will prepare a graph. So this type a graph you will prepare, and you will take 1 centimeter equal to 10 unit, and on the x axis and y axis you will mark the points. Look here, this 0 50 is a point, 50 0 is a B point, 50 25 25 this is a C point, and 30 and 20 this is a D point. So these points you have to mark on a graph. First point is 0 and 50, that is A point, you will mark here. Second point is B, that is 50 and 0, that you will mark here. And third point is 25 and 25, that you will mark. This is the C point, you will mark here. And then D point is 30 and 20, that you will mark here. So this type you can mark all these points. After that after this you will put a scale and join all these points. So you will get this type a line. Now you will put this line, divide this graph in two parts. One is above the line and second is below the line. Two parts we have. This line, all the value above the or below, any one will be satisfy the inequalities. So first of all you will take here point 0 0 0 0 you will get here, and 0 0 you have to put in the inequalities. Our inequalities is x plus y less than 50, and here you will put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, means you will check the point 0 0. So place of x and y you put 0 0, you will get 0 plus 0 less than equal to 50, means 0 less than equal to 50, means this statement is true or not, you have to check. This statement is true. True means you will take that region of the line. This line divide this graph in two part. One part is this, second part is this, and look here, you will take that region where the 0 0 point is lie. So where is the 0 0 point lie? Below the line, 0 0 point line lie. So you will take arrow, you will mark the arrow in this side. So you can check this arrow, we mark the arrow toward the 0 0, because 0 0 satisfy the inequality. The second constant is 3x plus y less than equal to 90, and there this 3x you can transfer to right hand side, we get y less than equal to 90 minus 3x. Here place of x you will put the points. Now our second constant is 3x plus y less than equal to 90, and you will transfer this 3x to right hand side, we get y less than equal to 90 minus 3x. Now place of x you will put the value and you will get the y. So look here, when you put x equal to 0, what we get? Y equal to 90 we get. Now x equal to 10 you put, y equal to 60 you get. x equal to 20 you put, y equal to 30 you get, x equal to 30 you put, y equal to 0 you point. So these type you get these points, and now you will check these for put the 0 0 in the inequalities, and what you get, look here, means x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 you put, place of x you put 0 and place of y you put 0, you will get this line. 3 into 0 plus 0 less than equal to 90, means you get 0 plus 0 less than 90, means 0 less than equal to 90. With this statement also we get true. Look at these points you have to mark on a graph. So first point is E is 0 90, this point is 0 90, so you can mark here. Second point is F is 10 and 60, so this point is 10 and 60, so you can mark here. Next point is G 20 and 30, so that is 20 and 30, G point you can mark here. Next is H point, that is 30 and 0, this point is 30 and 0, so you will mark these all points. After that you will put a scale and join these, so you will get this line. And now after that you will check these points, so point you get true. So true means this line also you will mark the arrow toward the 0 0, you can check this arrow we mark toward the 0 0. Now in the equations we have two more points, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. X greater than 0 means above the x-axis, always we have y greater than equal to 0, and right hand side to the y-axis always we have x greater than 0. So this region is x greater than 0, and the y, this line is y greater than equal to 0. You have to mark the shadow. Look here, you can mark here, this is a y greater than equal to 0, and second is x greater than equal to 0. And look here, these all arrows you will check, so this combined region is this region we have, and this region is called the feasible solution. Now I will give you the definition of feasible solution. What is the feasible solution? First we have feasible region, the common region determined by all the constants including non-negative constant x and y greater than equal to 0 of a linear programming problem is called the feasible region, or we can say solution region, or we can say feasible solution for the problem. The region shaded is the feasible region for the problem. The region other than feasible region is called an infeasible region. So all of you understand the feasible region. What we will do with the feasible solution? Look here, with the help of the feasible solution we can find the maximum value of z. In question we have z, we have to find the maximum value of z. So look here, the corners of the shaded region you will take. Corners are, first point is A, second corner is G, and third corner is H, and fourth corner is 0 0. So you can write the corner points first, A, G, H and 0. First point is 0 50, second point is 20 30, third point is 30 0, then fourth point is 0 0. Look here, these all points you will put in the z and you will find the value of z. So first you will put place of x 0 and place of y 50, you get the z. Z is 4 into 0 plus 50, that you get value of z is 50. Now second point is 20 and 30, so you will put in z equal to 4x plus y, place of x 20 and place of y 30 you put, you will calculate to get value of z equal to 110. Now you find the h is 30 and 0, so place of x you put 30 and place of y you put 0, so you get here the value of z is 120. Now you will put 0 0, means you get here 0. Now in question we have to find the maximum value of the z. So from these, what is the maximum value of z? Maximum value of z is 120. So this 120 is the maximum value. So you can write the maximum value of z is 120 at the point is 30 and 0, means x equal to 30 and y equal to 0. The value of z is maximum. So hope you understand this solution.